China is again attacking US Navy warships steaming near the contested South China Sea island. The freedom of operation of the Guided Missile Destroyer, or FONIP, is the latest step in the Navy's follow-up statement that the waters Beijing is increasingly claiming to be international and open to transit. Tuesday's trip is also intended to challenge innocent passage restrictions imposed by Vietnam and Taiwan at sea. All interactions with foreign military forces are consistent with international norms and do not affect operations, according to a 7th Fleet statement. Extensive and unlawful maritime claims in the South China Sea pose serious threats to maritime freedoms, including freedom of navigation and free flight unimpeded trade, and freedom of economic opportunity for the coastal countries of the South China Sea. The Spratly Islands are claimed in full or in part by China, Vietnam, Taiwan, Malaysia, Brunei and the Philippines, but China, Vietnam and Taiwan require prior notification or clearance before ships can pass through nearby waters, a mandate that conflicts with international law, according to the 7th Fleet. By engaging in innocent proceedings without giving prior notice or seeking permission from any of the plaintiffs, the United States challenged unlawful restrictions, the order said. Several months of FONIP were busy for John S. McCain, who sailed into the Sea of Japan in November to challenge similar redundant maritime claims by Russia. In that regard, the Russian Defense Ministry said a destroyer warned US warships to leave the area and threatened to crash into the ship, a characterization of events that the 7th Fleet denied at the time.